Hello, there's someone here. My name is Richard. My website is Shoshin Guitarist, Shoshin Guitarist.com. And the only reason you're here is because I think I have a $1 or $2 humidifying solution for your guitars. First of all, you need a case. This is not a Fender, but it is a Fender case. Previously, in my dealing with Chicago winters, I picked up one of these from a famous vendor, and guess what? It didn't work terribly well. So we're going to just kind of put this aside over there. It didn't work as well as the solution I think I'm about to show you. Why is the case locked? Because as soon as I open it up, it's been sitting for about a month. As soon as I open it up, what will happen is that the humidity will change. I have a humidifier inside. So I actually have a humidifier inside, and it will show the temperature and the humidity of this enclosed guitar. I think it's a $2 solution. I'll show you that at the end, maybe a $1 solution. So here goes. Last time I did this, I pressed the end and botched it. So good luck to me. Is it opening? No, it's not opening. Something else is wrong. Seems good. Sorry about that. So let's see. Will it open? And the answer is yes, it's opening. And what does it say at the bottom? It says 60.3 and 41. If I can get it out. 60.3 and 41. Hang on. It'll change rapidly. 60.3 and 41. So this thing worked just fine. So you don't want your humidity dropping below, once again, get this thing out of here. You don't want your humidity dropping below 40. You want 40 to 60. Temperature probably between 60 and 70. This has worked fine. Let's see what the magic solution was. Let's see what I'm using. Will not press the end button. Still working just fine. There's my $2 solution. So this is, when did I put this in? January 8th of 26. I keep note of it. And what's it look like? I'll put this down so I have two hands. Just be patient. So this is what it is. All it is a sponge. It's a sponge that is wrapped up within a baggie. So you take a sponge, wrap it up in a baggie. I put it in an envelope. Now, first of all, what you do is I pierced it. So you can see the holes here that you put the sponge in the envelope. Can you see the little holes that are in here? Little holes that I did. And I put it all the way through the envelope, through the baggie itself. It probably has easily a dozen holes. And you can't tell, but I can. But this thing is perfectly fine. This sponge still has water in it. It's still giving off humidity. It's great. So how much did this cost me? No more than $2, probably just $1. We had some spare envelopes hanging around. Got some sponges at Jewel food stores, and they were like $2 for 6 or something. And so it worked fine. You moisten it. Don't make it sopping wet, but you moisten it, put it in the bag, seal it, put it in the envelope, put a rubber band around it, put it underneath the neck of your guitar. And don't forget to take a humidifier and put it underneath so that when you open it up, you can track it. The last part that I'm going to do is that I'm going to take note of all of this. Hang on one second. The last thing I will do is I'll take note of, when I inspected the guitar. I inspected my Tele February 11th. This Yamaha FG160, I inspected that moments ago, and it was fine. And this one is my, what is this thing? It's an Ibanez Acoustic Electric. So you keep track of the dates. That's very helpful. That's it. So that's my $2 solution. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Richard. Website is Shoshin Guitarist, Shoshin Guitarist.com. Thanks a lot for dropping by. Have a great day, and humidify your guitars in dry, cold winters, and check them once a month to see how they're doing. Thanks a bunch.